Yes, just playing me some Saints Row 4. Just got myself the singularity gun. I wonder what it... Oh my god, I have a black hole gun. Awesome! You know, black holes have been used frequently in media. People are always shown getting sucked into these things, but what would actually happen if someone got sucked into a black hole? In order to answer that question, we need to go into a few things first. Mainly, what a black hole actually is. Okay, show of hands. Who here in the audience knows what a black hole is? Come on, don't be shy. Oh yes, you, in the front row.
It's a big black hole in space that's black?
Well, you're not wrong. Okay, time for a little lesson class. And by class, I mean everyone who's trying to watch and review this last minute before the surveys are due. Black holes form from stars that are at least 20 times more massive than the sun. Those things have to be big, like, oh my god, so big. Black holes are formed when the gravity of the remnant core after a supernova is so great that the degrancy pressure of neutrons is no longer enough to hold back collapse, so basically it collapses in on itself. The gravity becomes so intense that nothing can escape a black hole, not even light. The nearest black hole, Cygnus X-1, is over 6,000 light years away from our solar system. You only reach the danger zone when you're around, I'd say, 14,000 miles from it. But let's say you find yourself within 14,000 miles of Cygnus X-1. As you approach the event horizon, which is basically the point of no return where everything turns black, the escape velocity increases until, at the event horizon, it exceeds the speed of light. In addition to that, the closer to the center you get, the more warped space becomes. Space becomes stretched out. Think kind of like 1 millimeter here is like 100 meters in there. At a certain point, the Roche limit of an object is exceeded. The Roche limit is the point which an object can no longer overcome the effects of tidal forces, or basically, they get spaghettified.
Now, spaghettification is the compression and elongation of whatever is falling into the black hole's event horizon, so that they take the shape similar to that of a spaghetti noodle. So, it's kind of like, in an analogy, the black hole is like the mouth of a person enjoying a delicious home-cooked spaghetti pasta dinner, and whoever's falling into the black hole is the delicious home-cooked spaghetti pasta dinner.
That's not even taking into account how the black hole distorts time. If you were falling into a black hole, time would move normally for you, but to an onlooking observer, they would watch you move closer and closer to the center, moving slower and slower, but you would never quite reach the event horizon. So in conclusion, don't jump into a black hole. It's a bad idea. Really not a good one.